Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage API integration with Twilio, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Twilio is and its capabilities. Twilio is a cloud communications platform that allows you to integrate various communication functions into your applications. Visit the Twilio website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the console, locate the dashboard section to find your account ID and auth token. These two credentials are essential for authenticating your API requests. Familiarize yourself with the Twilio documentation, as it provides comprehensive information on available APIs. Decide which Twilio service you need for your integration, such as SMS, voice, or video. For SMS integration, locate the SMS API documentation in the Twilio docs. Using a programming language of your choice, set up your development environment. You'll need to install an SDK available for languages like Python, JavaScript, or Ruby. After installing the SDK, create a new file for your project. In your file, import the Twilio library. Use your account ID and auth token to initialize the Twilio client. Ensure you have a Twilio phone number to send and receive messages. You can purchase a phone number through the Twilio console. To send an SMS, create a function that specifies the parameters like the message body, sender, and recipient. Invoke the Twilio client to send the SMS using your function. Test your function to ensure that it is working properly by sending a message. Next, explore how to handle incoming messages. Set up a webhook in your Twilio console where Twilio will send incoming message data. In your application, create an endpoint that processes the incoming request from Twilio. Extract the necessary data from the request, such as the sender's number and message content. Define logic to respond to the message accordingly. Proceed to integrate additional services as per your requirements, such as voice calls or video. For a voice call, refer back to the Twilio Voice API documentation. Set up the necessary configuration for your application to handle voice call events. Test the entire integration thoroughly to ensure all parts are functioning as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.